I'm Heather with Springfield Babywearers. This is Sophie, and we are going to show you how to do Anne's front carry. It is a great carry, especially for newborns or for a wrap nap, because it has a nice head support. I am using our Lending Library's size 7 Carry Slings Wisdom wrap. You could do this with a base size wrap. This for me is a base +1. You could maybe get away with doing this carry with a base -1. You're just going to start in front wrap cross carry pretty much. You'll get your seat made. Crosses in the back. You'll pull out all the slack. Have your baby close enough to kiss. You know, the baby wearing basics. But then I'm going to twist my tails a little bit. That helps get out all the slack in this long wrap. And you are going to take one of the tails and pin it between your legs, and take the other tail, bring it under the butt and up to meet this one, and then you're going to just do a little half knot. I'm going to take this like this, and then this top one. We want these, one of them up high for up here. Take it across. Take it across here for head support, and then bring it and tuck it under this tail. Just like this. Let's see. Awesome head support. And then this tail, you can, I like to bring it back around like this for more support for you, for your back. Bring it up, tighten, and then you will also tuck this one. You can do it whichever way you'd like. I need to tighten all that slack so it'll be more comfortable. And then here you have it. This is Anne's front carry.